Over the past videos, we've explored what it really means to think differently about quality. It's not just about standards or checklists. It's about mindset, curiosity, purpose, and people. It's about moving from fixing problems to creating possibilities, from repeating routines to challenging them, from fear of change to using innovation and AI as partners, and from procedures to pride. And now the question is, what will you do with this? You don't need a title, a budget, or permission to make an impact. Quality change begins with awareness, then a decision. A decision to observe carefully, question old habits, listen to customers, try small improvements, and encourage others. Being a quality change maker is not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. It's about asking, is there a better way? And then being brave enough to explore the answer. As World Quality Week reminds us, quality is not a department. It is a way of thinking. And thinking differently is the first step to leading differently. If this message inspired you, earn a certificate of completion for this mini course. This certificate is available for a nominal fee and shows your commitment to quality. Think differently. Add it to your LinkedIn profile, resume, or CPD records to show your organization you lead quality with purpose. Check the link in the description to enroll and download your certificate. To go deeper, explore our full range of courses at Quality Gurus, including Lean Six Sigma, AI-powered quality management, and more. Thank you for being part of this mini course. Stay curious, stay committed, and keep thinking differently.